Welcome, third grader. Welcome to your math class. I'm your math teacher, Bushra Jude. Our lesson for today is subtracting with regrouping. In the last lesson, we learned how to subtract but without regrouping. Today, the only difference that we have to subtract with regroup. Focus with me. Please open your book at page number 19. Open your math book at page number 19. Prepare your pencils and put the books in front of you. The first rule that we have to follow is to put the ones above the ones and the tens above the tens, the hundreds above the hundreds. We have to order them right, and we should start subtraction from the right, from the ones digit. Always and always you have to start subtraction from the ones digit, okay? Second rule is more on top, no need to stop. More on top, no need to stop. If we have the greater number on the top and the smaller number on the bottom, we don't have any problem. We just subtract it and complete the next digit, okay? If we have the smaller number on the top and the greater number on the bottom, that means that more on the floor, go to the next door, you will have to go to the next digit. Here we have the next digit is the tens digit. We have to ask the number in the tens digit here to give us something of what he has. So we read the value of the number here and he will give us one of his value. That means he will give the ones digit 10. Now, let's solve this problem together in order to understand subtracting with regrouping more. An executive secretary is needed. 2 candidates typing text for the job. Candidate A typed 463 words and candidate B typed 295 words. How many more words did candidate A type than candidate B? We have to subtract 295 from 463 to know the difference, okay? So we should put the 463 above and 295 in the bottom, okay? Now let's start subtracting. We start subtracting from the right. What do we have here in the ones digit? Yes, 3. And here in the tens digit, in the ones digit, also 5. Who is the greater number, 5 or 3? 5, yes. So we can't subtract 5 from 3. Can we? No, we can't. So we will go to the next door and ask him for help. Knock, knock, 6. Can you help me? Yes, I can. I am so generous. I will give you one of my value. What is the value of number 6 in the tens digit? The value of number 6 in the tens digit is 60. So if we took 1 from 6 here, that means we took 10. So we will regroup number 10 that we took from the 6 and add it with number 3. We will regroup the 10 with the ones digit, okay? With number 3. So it will become 13. 13 minus 5 is 8. When we took 1 from the 6, it will become 5. So 5 minus 9, is it right? No, because the 9 is greater than the 5. So we will have to knock on the next digit, okay? We will go to the next door, which is the hundreds. The hundreds will give us 1. The 5 will become 15, and the 4 will transfer into 3. 15 minus 9 is 6. 3 minus 2 is 1. So the answer is 168. Now let's subtract together. We have here in the example 478 minus 369. We have to subtract 9 from 8. Can we do that? No, we can't, because the 9 is greater than the 8. Okay? So we will have to go and ask for help from the next digit. The 7 will give us so that 7 will give us 1 from its value and give it to number 8. The 8 will become so the 7 will become 6, and the 8 will become 18. 18 minus 9 is 9. 6 minus 6 is 0, bravo. And 4 minus 3 is 1. أحسنتم يا طارق. Bravo, teacher. Okay, let's move to the next question. We have here 782 and minus 358. 2 minus 8. We have to subtract 8 from the 2. The 8 is greater than the 2. So we have a problem. We can't subtract 8 from 2, because if we have 2, we can't take 8 from it. So the 2 will go to the next door and knock on its door. Hi, tens, can you lend me one? Yes, of course. The 8 will become 7, and the 2 will become 12. 12 minus 8 is, yes, 4. أحسنتم, bravo. 7 minus 5, we don't have a problem here because the 7 is greater than the 5. 7 minus 5 is 2, yes. And 7 minus 3 is, yes, 4, bravo. Okay, let's solve another example. 5 minus 7. Whoa, the 7 is greater than the 5. So we have to ask for something from the next digit. We will ask number 5 for help. 5, can you give me 1? No, I will give you 10. So the 5 will become 15. 15 minus 7 is 8. Bravo. The 5 become 4. The 4 is smaller than the 6. right? So we have a problem. We will go to the hundreds digit. Can you lend me some of what you have? Yes, of course. The 4 will become 14 and the 6 become 5 because we took one of it. 13 minus 6 is, yes, 8. Bravo. 5 minus 3 is 2. 1 minus 0 is 1. Yes, we have here in the next question 7,453 minus 169. We have here in the ones digit 3 and 9. The 9 is greater than 3. We can't subtract 9 from 3, can we? No, we can't. So we will go and ask for help from the next digit. 5, can you help us? Yes. The 3 become 13 and the 5 become 4. The 4 is smaller than 6. So it will ask number 4 beside it for help. It will become 14. 13 minus 9 is 4. Bravo. 14 minus 6 is, yes, 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 8. Bravo. And now we took from the 4, 1. It will become 3. Bravo. 3 minus 1 is 2. 7 minus 0 is 7. Okay. Teacher, if you have any question, please ask me. You have my number. Now you have to solve these questions by yourself. Okay? Bravo, teacher. Solve it by yourself and show me the answers. Okay, you will have a homework for the next lesson. Page number 20 is a homework. Okay, teacher? If you have any question, please contact with me and ask me anything you want. Thank you for listening, teacher. I had so much fun with you guys. Please study well, have fun learning. It was Bushra Jude from Smart Academy School, Smart Application Academy, sorry. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.